In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the League of Legends client or the League of Legends launcher fix. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps. And let's start. So what you want to do now is to click on the taskbar, right click on it and open the task manager. And now find the League of Legends launcher and click on it. So for example, I'm gonna click on here. So what you want to do is find the League of Legends launcher if it's open, click on it and click on end task, and you want it to be closed. Once you do that, you can close the task manager, and the second step is to open this PC, go to local disk C or the drive where you have Riot Games installed at. So mine is at C. Open up the Riot Games folder, open the League of Legends folder, and now select the config folder, hold on the control button and click on logs. So you want them both to be selected, and now just right click on any of them and click on delete, and you want them to be deleted. Now once you delete them, what you want to do is close the League of Legends folder, click on the search bar and type Windows Firewall. Okay, so there it is, the Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on it. Now what you want to do is just turn it off, and you can do that by clicking on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. So just click on it, and now click on turn off Windows Defender Firewall and turn it off in the public network settings and in the private network settings. Once you do that, click on OK, and your firewall is now off. You can now close the Windows Defender Firewall, and the last step is to turn off your antivirus. So for me it's Avast, and you can do that by just searching up your antivirus if you have any in the search bar, like that. Okay, and open it up. You can uninstall it or you can just turn it off, and once you do that, you can just close your antivirus and open up League of Legends, and the files will be re-downloaded and reinstalled and your game should be fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. Bye.